Greetings. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Introductions. My name is Albert.
My name is Albert.
I am from India.
I am from India.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How do you do?
How do you do?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Basic questions. How are you?
How are you?
What's your favorite food?
What's your favorite food?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you do?
How old are you?
How old are you?
Food and drink. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Can I have the menu, please?
Can I have the menu, please?
I'm hungry, let's eat.
I'm hungry, let's eat.
What's your favorite restaurant?
What's your favorite restaurant?
Can you pass the salt, please?
Can you pass the salt, please?
Shopping. How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
I'd like to buy this, please.
I'd like to buy this, please.
Do you have any discounts?
Do you have any discounts?
Can you show me something else?
Can you show me something else?
Travel. Where is the nearest bus stop?
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Can you help me with directions?
Can you help me with directions?
I'm lost, can you show me the way?
I'm lost, can you show me the way?
How do I get to the airport?
How do I get to the airport?
Can you recommend a hotel?
Can you recommend a hotel?
Work and study. I'm a student.
I'm a student.
I work as a professor.
I work as a professor.
What's your job?
What's your job?
I'm studying English.
I'm studying English.
Can you help me with my homework?
Can you help me with my homework?
Health and wellness. I'm feeling sick.
I'm feeling sick.
Can you recommend a doctor?
Can you recommend a doctor?
I need to go to the hospital.
I need to go to the hospital.
How do I stay healthy?
How do I stay healthy?
Can you show me some exercises?
Can you show me some exercises?
Social interactions. How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Can we meet up sometime?
Can we meet up sometime?
I'd like to invite you to dinner.
I'd like to invite you to dinner.
Can you help me with something?
Can you help me with something?
Apologies and thanks. Sorry, I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please.
I apologize for the mistake.
I apologize for the mistake.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.